Hi there, I'm Professor Blackmore and welcome back to my channel. And today I'm coming back to you with a few more details about how you can get the most productivity and efficiency out of using a OneNote law firm notebook. And let me just say right off the bat that if you're not using OneNote, I just don't know why. There's not one day that goes by that I don't use OneNote. It's a free download and it comes along with 5 gigabytes of cloud storage in the free version. Now I've gone over all the ways to use OneNote and all of the reasons that you should be using it, including the ability to store files in the cloud, which is excellent for backup. But I'm not going to go back into all of that in this video. You want to get more information about how to make a OneNote law firm notebook and why you should be using OneNote in your law firm? Please review one of my prior videos on this topic and I'll place the links in the description section below. Now I've showed you how to make your own OneNote law firm notebook, but I've been asked if I have a template. So if you'd like to purchase my pre-made law firm notebook template, please visit me on my website at professorblackmore.com. And I'll place a direct link to my template in the description section of this video. And so today I'm going to take you inside of this template. And remember, this is just a template to get you started because each law firm is different. So you can build on some of the resources provided in this template and delete from it and add to it to meet the needs of your particular law firm. But as I mentioned in my video covering all the reasons why you should have a cloud-based place to store your law firm files, these days anything can happen without notice. Hurricanes, fires, and other natural disasters, in addition to pandemics that require you and your office staff to have to work from remote locations, which makes cloud-based access to your files a must-have. Or you never know if some type of Cold War cyber attack from Vladimir Putin might take your entire law office offline. These are all top-line reasons why you should be using OneNote or some type of cloud-based application to store your law firm files. But the versatility of OneNote is next level in my opinion because of the types of files that you can store, like PDFs, images, video, audio, and so much more. So the first thing I want to do is cover some basic information that again you can find by reviewing one of my prior videos. But if you purchase my OneNote law firm template, you'll receive a link that you'll need that will allow you to access it. And so you want to have reviewed one of my basic level videos on OneNote, which will show you how to create your OneNote account, which comes along with 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. And the way that OneNote works is the files sync through the cloud in the place where your files are stored. And that place is called OneDrive. So when you get the link, you want to navigate over to OneDrive.com. And as you can see here, I have a premium account. But as I stated, the free account comes along with 5 gigabytes of cloud storage. And I've had this premium account for many years. I can't even tell you how long, but it comes along with 1 terabyte of storage. And I've never had a problem with running out of storage. And I use it for everything. But anyway, when you get your link, you want to navigate over to OneDrive.com and log in using the same account linked to the email address that is associated with your OneNote account. And again, I show you how to do these basic level setup skills in one of my basic level OneNote videos. And so I hope you'll review one of my prior videos on this topic, and I'll place a link in the description area of this video. And so this is the email address that you also want to use if you want to purchase my OneNote law firm notebook template. And when you click on the link that you'll receive after purchasing your OneNote law firm template, it should open the notebook in your OneNote account. So let's go back. You want to go ahead and log in to your OneNote account. You also want to make sure that you have your OneDrive open as well. And then you want to click on that link that you'll receive if you purchase my OneNote Law Firm Notebook template. And when you click on that link, it should open in your OneNote account. Now, you should go over to your OneDrive account. You should see the notebook there. And you should immediately make a copy of the template and use the copy of the template going forward. And if you need a new one, you should always make a copy from your template so that your template will remain unchanged. Now, as you can see here, I'm using a copy of my template to do this demonstration. And so again, now that you're working from your copy, you can delete any of these sections or pages that you don't need, or you can add sections and pages as needed for your law firm needs. But the point of the template is so that you can use it as a guide to create your own to meet the needs of your law firm. Now, my OneNote law firm template comes in a civil and criminal version, and we're looking at the civil law firm template here. Now, you can create what sections you need for your law firm. We'll start by looking at the firm administration section. And within this section, you can create new pages for whatever type of firm administration information you need in your law firm. Then you can create sections for each type of civil law that you practice in your firm so that you can organize client files within each one of those sections. Now, for all of my personal injury law firm friends out there, let's take a look at a personal injury auto wrongful death case. And if you've been following my channel, you may be familiar with some of my sample cases like Winters versus Ramirez, which is a personal injury auto accident case with the person by the name of Miss Winters, who was riding along on her bicycle when she crashed into Mr. Ramirez, who was riding along in his vehicle. Now, I've talked about this case when I talked to you about making a OneNote deposition notebook used to prepare for and conduct a deposition using OneNote, and when I talked to you about how to make a OneNote motion hearing notebook used for preparing for and conducting a motion hearing using OneNote. So I hope you'll take the time to review these videos as well. But recently, I also talked to you about how to make a OneNote jury voir dire notebook as well. And we used my sample case, Carruthers v. Thomas. And so let's open up this part of the template and take a look at Carruthers v. Thomas. And again, you will use this as a guide to get started loading your civil cases into your firm notebook, or to have someone in your law firm to complete this task for you. And as you can see, you can expand or retract each client file as needed to access information within each one of your client files. And now once you've taken a look at this and reviewed this and added to and deleted from some of these pages, and once you have the sections and the pages and subpages that you want to be reflected in your client files going forward, you can right click on this page and click copy, and it will copy this page and all of its subpages. Then you can right click and select paste to paste the page so that you can reuse it. Then you can right click and rename it to add the name of your new client file. And so you want to repeat this process until you have all of your client files loaded. So here are some of the subpages for this client file. And we start off with our case intake information. So you might have a client intake form that the client completes at the time of the initial consultation. And you might have a case summary. You may have a page where you keep track of records requests. Now, I have a records request log here that you can use. And here is a place to keep your actual medical and billing records. You might also like to have a place where you can keep a copy of your case caption, or in some jurisdictions, we call it the style of the case. And so some people like to have this handy to create new case documents like pleadings, motions, discovery, and other court-related documents. But you can easily keep a copy of this in your file by clicking on the Insert tab above. Then you want to click on the Printout button. Then OneNote will navigate out to your files so you can select the file. Then, as you can see, it will insert a printout as well as the actual file so that you can simply click on this Word file and begin a new document whenever you need to do so. So you also have a place in here to keep your correspondence, pleadings, motions, and discovery indexes. And within each index, you can create links to each document. So when you receive a new document, you can file your new document. For example, if you wanted to file the plaintiff's complaint, you would click on the last document in that page section and then click Add New Page here. Or you can right click on this and click Add a New Page below here as well. These are two ways that you can add a new page or subpage. Then you want to click the Insert tab and select Printout again. And then you want to navigate to the place where you have it saved and select the file like we did before, and OneNote will insert a printout of the file as well as a copy of the actual file document. Whenever you need to access that actual file document, it's right here and you can just double click on it and have access to it right here. Now you want to right click on the new subpage and click Copy Link to Page. Then select the place where you want the link to be displayed. And so you want to highlight whatever text here that you have in this description so that you can use that as a link. So you'll highlight whatever place you want to place your link. And so I'm going to highlight the tab number. And so then you want to right click it and select link. Then you want to paste the link to the page that you just copied into this dialog box. And then you want to click Insert to create your link. Now, when you click on this from the log or index, it'll take you straight away to that document. Now, we also have a place here for expert documents and your demand letter and medical specials documents. And so as you can see, OneNote gives you the versatility to collect all kinds of media, audio, video, text, screen clippings, and so much more, all within your client files. In addition, you'll have access to your entire law firm wherever you are. You might receive an important phone call while you're in the grocery store. You can find this same client file in every single document in your law firm OneNote notebook on your cell phone using your online version of OneNote. So all you have to do is download the OneNote app on your mobile device. And then you want to open up the OneNote app on your mobile device. And then you want to navigate over to your OneNote notebooks and find your Carruthers v. Thomas client file. And here it is, along with all of your documents that have synced through your cloud version stored in OneDrive. So what about you? What do you think? Do you think you might consider using this game-changing law office productivity resource? If so, or even if not, I'd love to hear why or why not. So please leave your comments in the comments section below. And I want to also ask that you please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the bell so you won't miss any of my tips. And please also follow me on TikTok and Instagram. And if you like me to visit your next CLE or MCLE or legal conference, please contact me. And if you like to purchase a copy of my OneNote e-trial notebook, my OneNote motion hearing notebook, my OneNote deposition notebook, or my OneNote law firm notebook template, please visit me on my website at professorblackmore.com.